Today, guys, I prepared a nice lesson. Okay, it's the first lesson of book 2 with 2 situations. Stick around to the end of this video, okay? And subscribe and activate that little bell over there or over here, whatever. So stick around. Okay, guys, this is our first lesson for book 2, okay? We're going to start with some useful words for the lesson. I want you to repeat after each word. Train station. Repeat, please. Train station. Train. Repeat, please. Train. Platform. Repeat, please. Platform. Road. Road. Street. Street. Restaurant. Restaurant. What's going on in this picture? What is happening? The roads are jammed. Repeat, please. The roads are jammed. What's going on? The man is littering the street. Repeat, please. The man is littering the street. What's going on? The man is picking up the rubbish from the street. Repeat, please. The man is picking up the rubbish from the street. Okay, now we come to the first situation. In the train station. Okay, this is the title for the first situation. Pay attention. Why are you taking the subway today? Because they're repairing the highway that I take to work every morning. And most of the roads are jammed. Why are you taking the subway today? Because they're repairing the highway that I take to work every morning. And most of the roads are jammed. Okay, guys. So this is the lesson. Now I'm gonna ask you a few questions. Why is that guy taking the subway today? Look. Because those guys are repairing the highway that he takes to work every morning. And because of that, most of the roads are jammed. Okay? Because they're repairing the highway that he takes. That's why he's taking the subway today. So he's taking the subway because they're repairing the highway that he takes to work every morning. And because of that, most of the roads are jammed. Okay? So where are they? Look at the picture and answer my question. Where are they? They are in the subway in the train station, the subway station, okay? They are in the subway station. But where in the train station are they? So they are on the platform. Okay, so what's this called? A platform. All right. and they are on the platform. What are they waiting for? They're waiting for the train. The train will come from that passage over there. Okay, look, these are the train track. All right, and the train will come and they are going to take the train to work. Okay, why is he taking the subway today? Because they're repairing the highway that he takes to work every morning. Okay, but what is the problem with that? And because they are repairing the highway, okay, that he takes to work every morning, most of the roads are jammed. So the traffic is it's ridiculous. The traffic is really bad today. So that's why he's taking the subway today. Next. In the next situation, the title is going to McDonald's, okay? So let's begin. How about going to McDonald's? I'm hungry. Hey, that's a very good idea. Let's go. But Mike, please don't litter the street on our way to the restaurant, okay? Oh, sorry, darling. I'm going to pick it up. How about going to McDonald's? I am hungry. Hey, that's a very good idea. Let's go. But Mike, please don't litter the street on our way to the restaurant, okay? Oh, sorry, darling. I am going to pick it up. All right, guys. Let's have a look. Well, someone had an idea. The woman, okay, had an idea. She wants to go to McDonald's. Okay, so she's using this structure. How about when you want to make a suggestion, you can use how about. So how about is used in questions, okay, when you want to make a suggestion. How about a cup of coffee? How about going to McDonald's? How about watching TV now? Okay? So why does that person want to go to McDonald's? Because the person is hungry. Okay? The person is hungry. And the other person thinks it's a very good idea. So what does Mike think of his wife's idea of going to McDonald's? He thinks it's a very good idea. And he's saying, let's go, okay? Let's go, to indicate that he wants to go to McDonald's. And on their way to the restaurant, okay? So on their way to the restaurant, Mike littered the street. And his wife, okay, called his attention. She said, please don't litter the street, Mike. Okay, Mike, please don't litter the street on our way to the restaurant, okay? So she doesn't want him to do this. And Mike is sorry. He said, oh, sorry, darling. I'm going to pick it up. What is Mike doing here? So he's picking up the rubbish. So here he's throwing the rubbish on the street. And here Mike is picking it up. All right? So that was the lesson that we had prepared for you, okay, guys? Don't forget to subscribe and activate that little bell over there, okay? And share that content with your friends and have fun with English. And join us on Dr. Vince Academy. Have a good day.